Well, here's Drake number 4, the TR4 that I got from eBay. Came in today. I took it apart and cleaned it up. As in my previous videos, took the thing apart, took the cage apart, cleaned up all the tubes, put all the tubes back in, shined it up a little bit. This thing does receive. All the bands work on receive. It doesn't transmit at all, but it does receive. I still got to clean up the front here, get the knobs off, get them all cleaned up. They're all kind of gunky and gooey. So this thing got some heavy use, but yeah, it's probably the best one that I have as far as... Well, this and the receiver I have, the other two are kind of hacked up. Well, we know the TX4B, the 24XB is really hacked up. But this thing doesn't transmit yet. I got to figure out what's wrong with the transmit, but it does receive. The volume control's a bit shaky and loose. Looks like the meter works correctly, which is nice. If I take the RF gain all the way down, it goes up to 60, which it should, so the meter's perfect. I'm glad about that. And let's see, any meters here? Is my antenna on here? Oh, I got dummy load on. Yeah, it does receive. Doesn't transmit though. So if I try to go to go to CW here, I'm on 80 upper, that's correct. 80 meters, okay. Let's bring it to transmit. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's funky, isn't it? So, this is the gain for the transmitter here. Let's go with CW. Now, no transmit now at all. Well, hey, it's got issues. It does receive. Oh, there she goes. Give it full gain here. Ugh, I hate doing this. Take that down. Plate. A little bit of plate current, but no drive, right? No drive at all. So, what are you gonna do? Time to debug it, but it does receive. In fact, where's my antenna? Here's the typical wire antenna. There we go. There's 80 meters. There's always guys around 3.90. Talking around now. Anyway. So it's working. 40 meters. It's got the same weird problem my other one has. So these don't like the long wire antenna that's not balanced. They hate open wires. Same problem my other one has, where it kind of screeches. But at least they're consistent. Alright, well, that's about it. This is Drake number 4, the TR4 number 2. It's a bit different than the other one I have. I was surprised. I checked underneath and wiring wasn't all hacked up. Looks like whoever wired this thing was in a good mood. The wiring looked really nice. The knobs are all kind of shabby. I'll take all these off and clean them. This thing had dust. It was the dust in this thing was unbelievable. Anyway, having fun. Just puttering around. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.